In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a Quip document. If you've got a report, meeting notes, or a checklist you want on paper, I'll walk you through the simple, reliable way to get it from Quip to your printer with the settings you need. Start by opening the Quip document you want to print. Make sure you're looking at the final version you want to share or file, and give the page a moment to fully load so any images, tables, or comments are in place. It helps to skim the document quickly to confirm headings, spacing, and any embedded content look the way you expect on screen before you move on. Next, head to the top menu and choose Document, then select Print. This tells Quip you're ready to hand things off to your system's print dialog. If you prefer shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on a Mac. That's the standard print shortcut, and it opens the same print dialog you'd get from the menu, just a bit faster. Once the print dialog appears, this is where you choose how the document will look on paper. First, pick the correct printer from the list, especially if you have access to more than one. Confirm the number of copies, and decide whether you want the whole document or a specific page range. If you only need certain pages, type them in, such as a single page, a range, or a combination. Choose the orientation that matches your layout, portrait for most text documents, or landscape if you've got wide tables or images. Check the paper size, margins, and scaling so everything fits neatly on the page. Fit to page, or a small scale adjustment, can prevent cut-off edges. If your printer supports it, you can enable double-sided printing to save paper. You can also decide between color and black and white depending on your needs and whether the document includes charts or highlights. A quick look at the preview pane is invaluable. It shows exactly how each page will print so you can catch issues before you use any paper. When everything looks right, click Print to send the job to your printer. Give it a moment to process and listen for your printer to start. If the output doesn't match what you expected, maybe a table runs off the page or the text looks cramped, return to the print dialog, adjust orientation, margins, or scale, and print again. That's all there is to it. Open your Quip document, use the Document menu or the keyboard shortcut to open the print dialog, choose the right settings, and click Print. With these steps, you'll get consistent, clean results every time.